In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in Google Sheets by multiple columns. Sorting your data in Google Sheets can help you organize your information more effectively and make it easier to analyze. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking project milestones, or simply keeping tabs on a list of contacts, sorting by multiple columns can bring significant clarity. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate your way over to Google Sheets. If you're not familiar, you can simply head to your web browser and search for Google Sheets, or use the direct URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, make sure you sign in using your Google account. Signing in is essential to access and edit your spreadsheets. After you've signed in, locate the spreadsheet file you wish to work with. For this demonstration, let's open a file titled Untitled Spreadsheet. Once inside, take a moment to scan through your data to identify the columns you want to sort by. It's always helpful to know exactly what you're going to change before you dive in. Next, situate your mouse up to the menu bar and click on Data. This tab will host all the options related to sorting, filtering, and manipulating your data. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to click on Sort Range. By doing so, you'll pave the way to access more advanced sorting options that cater to multi-column sorting. Now, select Advanced Range Sorting Options. This might sound a bit technical, but it's straightforward and will make your sorting efficient and precise. In this section, you'll be presented with the option to specify which columns you desire to sort by first. It's crucial to choose correctly, as the primary column will dictate the overall ordering of your dataset. Once you've decided on the primary column, click on it to highlight it. Evidence shows that visual confirmation, such as highlighting, can minimize mistakes and ensure you're sorting as intended. After highlighting, you'll have more settings to adjust, and it's crucial to get these right. Click on Destination to review your selected columns and make any final adjustments necessary. You can continue by selecting Traveler, which will apply the sorting range to your selected columns. To sort by additional columns, click on Add Another Sort column. This allows you to introduce secondary, tertiary, or perhaps even more criteria upon which to organize your data. Opt for the Z to A option if you want to sort your data in descending order. Alternatively, you could choose A to Z if ascending is more suitable. Lastly, after all the columns you wish to sort by are set up and ordered correctly, click on Sort. By doing so, Google Sheets will arrange the data according to the hierarchy of your chosen columns. You'll notice your spreadsheet might look significantly different now, but much easier to digest and analyze. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have efficiently sorted data by multiple columns in Google Sheets. This technique is invaluable for effectively managing large datasets, and I'm sure it'll make a substantial difference in your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful as you tackle your next project in Google Sheets.